Hey everybody, today we're going to draw this guy, Ghostbusters logo from the first movie, 1984. So grab yourself a paper and make a circle for his head like that. Start sort of making it a ghost-like shape like this, kind of like a hourglass figure for his face. Top of his head. Go like that. He's a ghost. Here's his eyebrows, his eyes, nose and mouth, and his chin. There's his rough face. And his body coming down. He's inside of this little do not sign that says means no to ghosts, essentially. And it can be difficult to draw this sort of thing. But we got this. So, working on the line of the do not ghost sign here. No to ghosts. No to ghosts. Alright, here's his arm coming down, his hand. Got kind of a messy ghost hand. Sort of an open, grabbing hand. Thumb. And the other side of his arm. And now his other arm. Shoulder. Trying to get the circle of that no to ghosts sign correct. Ghosts not allowed. That's what we'll call the sign. So here's the bottom part of the sign. Getting some of the ghost details in there. This other hand coming out from underneath that little bar that goes across there. Another open grabbing hand. Almost two scared hands blocking something. Still trying to get the round part of this sign correct. Trying to keep the thicknesses relatively even on the top part of the circle compared to the bottom part of the circle. Not super easy to do. Here's his other thumb, a little more defined. Starting to figure out where this circle is going to come down, right there. That looks about right. It's time to start inking and coloring. Let's go. Pause as needed.
Too hot to handle, too cold to hold. They called the Ghostbusters and they're in control. Had them throwing a party for a bunch of children. All the while, slime was under the building. So they packed up the group and got a grip, came equipped. Grabbed the proton packs off the back and they split. Found out about Vigo, the master of evil. Tried to
Out of my boys, that's not legal. Well, I guess we're gonna have to take control. Gonna have to take control. We got gonna have beedle deedle da ba da beedle deedle da deedle dee bida dee 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 beedle dee bida ba.
Ghostbusters. Something weird and only good. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid no ghost. I ain't afraid no ghost. Seeing things running through your head. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. Invisible man sleeping in your bed. Oh, who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghost. What? I ain't afraid of no ghost. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters. If you're all alone, pick up the phone. Ghostbusters. I ain't afraid of no ghost. I ain't afraid of no ghost. Ghostbusters. If you had a ghost, baby, a freaky ghost, baby, you better call Ghostbusters. Ghostbusters. Do your door. Let's do just once more. Ghostbusters. Busters. Ghostbusters. 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 Thanks and subscribe.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Please comment. Tell me what you want to see me draw. I would love that. Appreciate you.